Hello friend, my name is Jadhav Suvarna from KK Wag Arts, Commerce, Science and Computer Science College, Pimples Ramachi. My subject is organic chemistry. Today I will explain nucleophilic substitution at aliphatic carbon. First of all, what do you mean by substitution reaction? A reaction in which an atom or a group of atoms in the reactant is replaced by another atom or a group of atoms of the reagent used is known as substitution reaction. For example, the reactant RW plus reagent AB substitution reaction that gives Ra as a product plus Wb. In this reaction, W of the reactant is replaced by the A of the reagent used. W is said to be the leaving group, or it is also called as an outgoing group. These group are leave from a reactant or substrate, and A as the incoming group. The substitution reaction are of two types depending on the formal charge on the incoming group. First is nucleophilic substitution and second is electrophilic substitution. First, what do you mean by nucleophilic substitution? If the incoming group is a nucleophile, electron rich or negatively charged, it is known as a nucleophilic substitution. Example, hydrolysis of methyl bromide. Methyl bromide plus nucleophile OH minus that gives nucleophilic substitution in presence of KOH gives methanol plus Br minus is a leaving group. Methyl bromide, methyl is a alkyl group, Br is a leaving group, then which react with OH minus. OH minus is a nucleophile. First of all, this nucleophile attack on a CH3 group and leaving group are leave from a substrate, and then the formation of methanol as a product and plus leaving group Br minus. Here Br of the substrate is replaced by the nucleophile OH. It should be noted that the leaving group Br minus is also basically nucleophile. However, it is much weaker nucleophile than the attacking nucleophile OH and hence get easily displaced in all nucleophilic substitution. Therefore, a stronger nucleophile replaces a weaker nucleophile. Then second one is electrophilic substitution. If the incoming group is a electrophiles means the reagent which contains the positively charged. The substitution reaction is known as a electrophilic substitution reaction. For example, nitration of benzene. Benzene react with NO2 plus. NO2 plus is a electrophile. Then electrophilic substitution reaction. This NO2 plus is substituted to the benzene ring and then the formation of nitrobenzene plus H plus is the leaving group. In this reaction, the incoming group NO2 plus is an electrophile and the leaving group is H plus, which is also basically an electrophile. Here also a stronger electrophile displaces a weaker electrophile. Then next point is nucleophiles and leaving groups. All nucleophilic substitution reaction involves three components. First, substrate, second, nucleophilic reagent, third, solvent. The role of solvent is extremely important, but we will be discussing it at the end of this chapter. All substrates undergoing substitution contain two parts. First, alkyl part R and the leaving group X. For example, Rx plus Y minus. R is a alkyl part, X is a leaving group, and Y minus is a nucleophile. Then, in presence of solvent, that gives Ry. Y is a nucleophile with a substitute and leaving group are leave from a substrate. Then the formation of Ry plus X minus is a leaving group. There are many aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reaction are as follows. Substrate plus nucleophile that gives a product plus leaving group. There are so many examples are given in this chart. Thank you.